Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to share with you habits. Habits is important for everywhere and if you want to get something different for yourself. So long time and I have been practicing English but I couldn't get result and what I am expected. So this is happen just for my activity. And if your activity is not a regular, so you cannot get something different for yourself. And why I'm saying this, and in this world and who are the success in this world and they have like this creative activity, and I mean they work and they wake up and then after they have a casual activity for every single day. That's why they are unique. And how people become unique, normal to unique. And if you make a habit for yourself, like in the morning you wake up and you go to the bed early at night, so and that is your uniqueness. And if you make and if you do like that activity continuously, definitely, and this is enough to you. And I feel and everybody and who are trying to become success in life, so definitely, and be honest with self is important than everything. If you are trying to do something better, so definitely you need to be honest man. And if you honest with yourself, so definitely you can get something unique, something different for yourself. Morning routine and is important for me. And if you wake up early in the morning and you can very easily start your day from positive vibe, that's because I am saying that. So if you have like that mentality to get something unique, so definitely you have to work in the morning and you have to wake up early in the morning. And many of successful entrepreneur and they woke up early in the morning at 4:30, at 3:30, and they wake up and they go to the bed very early at night. So that's why they are different from others. And if somebody really want to change their lives, so definitely, and they need to be like this habits, perfect routine, and it will make you the different unique person for yourself. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from others platform, hopefully you are understanding what I want to say. But in future, and when I will get a success for me, so I will share with you and what was my activity. And I already told that is what is my normal versus unique person. They have a two difference. First of all, their activity. Second of all, and they are their mentality. And if you